So in this video, I am going to be showing you how to add the line charts that you are seeing on your MT5 chart. So the line chart is very important, especially for beginners and for people who may be finding it difficult to identify a change of character or a market structure shift when it has happened. So this is the regular candles, which are the Japanese candlesticks that everyone has known, but some people find it difficult when a market structure shift has occurred or when a change of character has occurred. So if I am showing you this chart now, some people may confuse it to know when a change of character has occurred at this particular level. That is where the use of a line chart will come in. And just before I show you how to change and set your MT5 chart to show a line chart, I want to just show you how to identify what I am trying to explain. You see, a change of character has occurred at this particular level. So there is a change of character at this particular level. That's what is happening in the middle. Why did I know that? I have trained my eyes as a professional to understand these things, okay? But then, if you are finding it difficult, this is how important the line chart is. So you are going to change these regular Japanese candlesticks that you know that you are using. We are going to change it now to the line chart and see how easy it is for you to know. Now tap on your screen, then go to this icon and click on it. That's the setting icon. When you click on it, at the very top of these options, you are seeing line type. Click on it. Now you will see the option for bar chart, candlestick, line chart, Heikin Ashi. So we are going for the line chart, so I will click the line chart. When you click the line chart, you can click your back button right now. So this will now draw the line chart for you on your MT5 on your mobile device. Now you see the one that I used for the Japanese candlestick, this was where it was showing me as a change of character. But you see, for that of the line chart, it has now adjusted it for you, making it easy for you to know that a change of character or a market structure shift has occurred just below this particular level where this last low is. This was where the last low is. So a market structure shift has occurred. So if you are finding it difficult because of the wicks of the Japanese candlesticks, you will just simply use the line chart and it will help you to perfect that. Okay, now I am going to show you two more examples so that you will see how easy it is using the line chart compared to the regular Japanese candlesticks. So let us scroll down. Let's scroll down. So when we come over to this part again, like this is in a downtrend, you can see how easy it is for you to spot the market structure without giving you any issues compared to the Japanese candlesticks. So when you get to places like this, if I tap to pick my trend line tool, you can see clearly that a change of character has occurred around this level. So let me shift it to this level, right? So a change of character has occurred at this level. if you go back to your regular Japanese candlesticks, so let me go back. So I will now go back. You can see that it will confuse you to know at what point is it, because of these wicks of the Japanese candlesticks. It will confuse you and you may not know if your eyes have not been trained properly. So for the Japanese candlesticks, I would have chosen this particular level, that is where my market structure shift has occurred. But for the line chart, it has given me clearly it was somewhere around here. You can see how easy it is using the line chart to spot a market structure shift or a change of character. So I will show you one more example again on a different pair. Then you will see, you will compare it and see. So let us go to something like Bitcoin. Now, if we go to Bitcoin, you can see on a regular day, if you were to spot this change of character here, it is going to be this. So let me pick my trend line tool. It is going to be at this particular level. Let me shift it. So our market structure shift occurred where I just drew just now. This is because we are using the regular candlesticks. But let us use the line chart and see where our market structure shift is going to be shown. So I will tap the screen. Then I will go to the settings over here. Then at the top, I click the line type. Then I will select the line chart. Then click back button. Now you can see that with the line chart, it has given us that a market structure shift occurred much higher. So I will adjust that level. So clean. It helps you to avoid all the confusions that comes as a result of the wicks that occurred in the Japanese candlesticks. Okay, so this is just so simple and straightforward. If you have any question regarding the addition of a line chart on Metatrader 5, your MT5 on mobile chart, just let me know in the comment section, and you can see how useful it is for you to spot a market structure shift or a change of character using your line chart. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.